Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Dishwasher door lock switch. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door lock switch. The door lock switch tells the dishwasher if the door is open or closed. The manager should be changing it out, so if it's failed and the dishwasher thinks the door is open, so it won't start the cycles. In order to change out the part, we're going to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we have to take out all the screws that hold the inner and the outer door together. We're going to use a Torx 20 driver to take them out. Once you have all the screws out, we're just going to carefully lift the door up. And we can separate the inner and outer panels. And then we're going to take the control panel out. Just kind of rest it in there. And then we're going to take the outer door panel, pull it off, and set it aside. Once you have the outer door panel off, we're going to bring a box in with a towel on it so you don't scratch anything. And then we're going to set the control panel on it so we can take the door lock switch off. First, we're going to remove the wiring harness. It's just plugged on here. We're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop it off. And just set it aside. Then it's just held in by a couple locking tabs. We're just going to lift up on the assembly while we press on the tabs so they release. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the control panel. Here's the old door lock switch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new one in, we're just going to line it up, set it into place so it locks in. Once you have it snapped in, we're going to reconnect the wiring harness. Just have to plug it in. The blue wire was on top, the orange was on the bottom. Just make sure you get it all on there so you get a good connection. Once you have it in, we can put the door back together. We're just going to lift up on the control panel and set it up here on the top of the inner door panel while we hold it. And we can get the box out of the way. And we're going to grab the outer door panel. And when you put this on, there's a tab on each side that has to go behind the hinge right here so it holds on. And we're just going to swing the outer door panel around. We're going to grab the control panel, put it in place. We can lift the outer panel up and put those tabs in the hinge on each side. Squeeze the door together. And we're going to open it up a little bit and maybe put in a couple screws up here to hold it in before we open it all the way. We're going to start with two of the longer screws that go on either side of the lock assembly. Just going to put them in and use the Torx 20 driver to tighten them down, and so it kind of holds the door together while we put the rest of the screws in. We can open up the door and put the rest of the screws in. Just remember when you're putting the screws in, the other long ones go in the corners here. Once you have the screws tightened down, you close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.